Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to learn about square roots, how to find out the square roots for a given number. Before we find square roots, so let me explain few things. We need some preparation steps for that. So in this video we'll do that one first. In the next video we are going to find square roots. So the first thing we should know is division by 2. You already know division, but here I am explaining in different method, so that is method 2. This method is bit complicated when you compare with the method 1, because here we are not taking any dividend values directly. We will put our quotient in place of dividend. Whatever the subtraction and remainder process is there, that will do all in our brain itself. Okay, so that's why it is compared to your method 1 bit complicated, but now of course you know how to do division, so I can introduce here this method also. Okay, in this method you can easily find even decimal values. Till now whatever the problems we did, for those problems we didn't get any decimal values. If the question does contains decimal values, it is better to go for this method rather than the method 1. If we have decimal value, then method 1 is bit complicated, but it is very easy. This method is very easy. Let's start the class. So first I will do the first question. Sorry, we are not able to see our first question. Here I will write it. So the first question is 96/2. So here we no need to use any formula, just you have to keep as it is how you are keeping earlier. So 9 is in 10's place, 6 is in 1's place. So next step, we must divide with the 2. So 2 means how many times? 4 times, means that my quotient, my answer is 4. So I need to put 4 here in 10's place. Next, the remainder is actually 1. So 1 we have to keep it in our brain, and the dividend is 6. So 1 6 16. Now our next dividend. So when you divide with the 2, it is like 2 times. The answer is 8 times. So now you have to put 8 on 1's column. Now the answer is 8, that is 4 8 48. So that's it. 96/2 is 48. Next we have 35/2. So how many times? 2 ones are 2, so we have to keep 1 on 10's column, and the remainder is 1, and the dividend is 5. 1 5 15. Next dividend is 15. So 15 means 7 times, so that 7 we have to put on 1's column. So the remainder is 1, and here we don't have any more dividend values, means here we will get the decimal value as our result. So whenever you are doing division after for remainder which is smaller than divisor, then you can add zeros to your remainder. Then the answer is 5, so which is 17.5. Let's see next question. 394/2. So my first dividend is 3. When I divided, I should put 1 on 100's column, and the remainder is 1, and for the dividend I will get 9. So my next dividend is 19. So how many times? 9 times. 9 2s are 18. So already 9 is here, I no need to change any values, but my remainder is 1. 1 4 14. 14 means how many times? 7 times. Then I need to put 7 on 1's column. Okay, so 14. Now the answer is, we don't have any more reminders. 197. If you didn't get any concept also, no problem. Anyway, you are going to do next classes all this division over 2, so you no need to panic, just follow the video, so you will get lot of revision in the next classes. Just follow me.
Square root find out చేసేటప్పుడు
Now we will see the
step
next problem.
So division over 2,
so which is 4 digit number I'm taking.
ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చూడండి.
Now it is 8175.
175. Okay,
now my next dividend is
4 times
8, so means 4 times, so I need to put
Next
4
one.
here. Then it is 1. I can't divide 1 anymore, so I need to take value from my dividend, which is 7. So now my value is 17. So when I took 2 values from dividend, I need to put 1 0 here.
అంటే 8 times
Then 16 8 times, the remainder is 1. So again I need to take value from dividend, 15, so which is 7 times 14, and the remainder is again 1. So 1 means 0.5. Okay, the next quotient is 4087.5, and next one is 5 digit number.
సో సింపులేనండి, కాకపోతే మనకి అది చక్కగా అన్నీ కనిపిస్తూ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి మనం ఎలా అయితే చేస్తామో ఇక్కడ అలానే చేస్తాం కాబట్టి ఈజీగా అనిపిస్తుంది.
5 digit number 6347
ఇస్తూ ఉండొచ్చు, కానీ ఏం తప్పలేదండి, చాలా ఈజీ.
6 means how many
How
times?
many times అండి?
3 times.
అంటే
So remove 6 and we must put 3, and then again 3 means 1 time.
చేయొచ్చు.
So the remainder is 1,
ఒకసారి
1, and next dividend is 0. So 1 0 10. How many times? 5 times. Okay, next we don't have any more reminders. Next one is 4. 4 means 2 2s are 4, so you should put 2 here. And next is 7. 7 means 3 times. 2 3s are 6, and the remainder is 1 1 0 10
ఎంత అండి?
means 5 times. So here we have taken value 0. Then we should put we should take it as a decimal value.
5.
So my answer is 31523.5 31,523.5.
So
And we need one more thing to complete our square root process, that is finding the half of a perfect square.
division by 2 చేసాక
Let's see, here it is a finding half of a perfect square. What do you mean by half of a perfect square?
0 to 9
It's very simple. So we are finding the half of perfect square. Suppose if you take 1 square is 1, and half of this perfect square is 0.5.
1 square అంటే 1.
And next one is 2. 2 square means 4. Half of the 4 means 2. Okay. Similarly, you should know 1 to 9, 3 9 4.5, 4 16 8, 5 perfect square is 25, and half is 12.5, 6 is 36 18, and 7 is 49 24.5, and 8 is 64 32, and 9 is 81 40.5. We need to keep these values handy so that we can do our square roots perfectly. It's okay, initial days we will write and we will keep it. Once you have done some practice, then you will know all these values. Next, I want to clear one more thing. You can find the perfect squares only between 1 to 100. Then how we will find for 3 digit number? We have to convert this 3 digit number to less than or equal to 2 digit number. So how we can convert this number to 2 or less than 2 equal to 2 digit number means we have to do skip count by 2 digits, and then we have to add decimal values here. Yeah, now we converted. Now we can do easily, we can find the square root of this number 456. After finish whatever the answer we got, so we have to do roll back of decimal point. So how to do that one, there I will explain, not in this video. As of now it's not necessary. Okay, so 4.56, if it is a 4 digit number, so how we have to convert to less than or equal to 2 digit number? So let me write one example. The example is 7857. So now I have to do skip count by 2 digit here. Now I got 2 digit number, which is 78.57. So now I can do my square root. I can find my square root. Okay, if it is 5 digit number, so from left to right you must do jump to 2 digits. That is now my number is 8.7857. Just keep this fact in your mind. That's it for today's class. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Don't forget, age is a just number. Happy learning.